Welcome to Kinetic AI's Contract Intelligence 1.5. Contracts are critical, but let's face it, they're cumbersome. Thousands of pages, siloed data, missed renewals, and lost savings hiding in plain sight. Kinetic AI's Contract Intelligence 1.5 changes everything. It doesn't just extract data, it understands your contracts. A team of AI agents works behind the scenes 24/7 to read and organize contracts with smart categorization, highlight key terms and SLAs in real time, track renewals, obligations, and performance metrics, surface risks and missed opportunities before they cost you, search, filter, and interact with your contracts naturally, pin and annotate key clauses, set proactive reminders, all in a sleek interface that's fully customizable. Switch between light and dark modes, or match your brand theme for clarity and comfort. The built-in procurement assistant lets you design and monitor supplier-specific savings initiatives. You'll track performance in real time and instantly understand the impact of every contract decision on your bottom line. And this isn't just automation. This is intelligence in action. Transform contract terms into measurable KPIs. Track variance against commitments, and get actionable alerts for non-compliance and underperformance. Want to go a step further? Let Kinetic AI's market intelligence show you what's coming before your competitors even notice. Millions of data points analyzed in real time to surface. Price shifts, competitor moves, emerging supply chain risks, correlation insights, and technical analysis. It's like having a personal market analyst on call always. And if you're tired of drowning in headlines, News Assistant helps you stay informed, not overwhelmed. Real-time, targeted updates on your partners, suppliers, and markets. Interact with articles like you're chatting with the journalist who wrote them. Need to understand your data fast? Database Assistant turns any question into clarity. Ask in plain English and visualize trends, performance, or risks instantly. Contract Intelligence 1.5 brings it all together. Procurement, market, news, data, contracts. One intelligent command center. Fully modular, fully integrated, fully yours. Accelerate insight, eliminate risk, unlock the power of your contracts. With Kinetic AI's Contract Intelligence